Dinner time. Hot ramen on a rainy day. Hello guys, it is Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. It's about time to pick up the kids. I'm gonna go get them. It is a pretty wet and rainy day out there today. You can see it's still raining right now. Got the kids. How was the wet rainy day today? You guys stuck inside all day? Not bad?
Yeah. I saw some geese.
It's also what?
Geese. Yeah, there's some geese on the tree.
Oh really?
Is it? Yes. The green stuff on the ground is food.
You guys had an okay day?
Yeah.
Got karate today. What do you guys want, ramen for dinner?
Yeah. Poop in the hammock cart and Nasio in this long class. He threw my moon ball at it.
Bruh.
He missed.
Somebody abandoned their umbrella right there.
Maybe somebody was holding it and flew away.
Maybe. We are home. Uriah said training starts now. And he's training. He's leveling up. He's grinding. This is what I've been doing a lot lately. Riding this bike. I'm watching X-Men, the animated series. My favorite show as a kid. Uriah's eating some ice cream. After his b-ball training, he changed to some b-ball gear. PJ had an ice cream. He's just gaming now. Dinner time. Hot ramen on a rainy day. He's gonna hit the spot. It's Tuesday. That's karate day, so it's gonna be a busy day for us. I got like a pile of dishes to wash over there too.
March 5th, Oversight Pack is responsible for the content of this advertising.
With the eBay authenticity guarantee, it's checked by experts. Every stitch, tag, so you'll always get that feeling of breathing.
It's the way it's in Minecraft, but are they actually real? Where are what? Oh, this is incredible. Hollow Island. Dog, somebody please comment that seed and we'll pin it to the top. Ain't no way. Nobody gonna type that. What makes people type that? Sick though. I literally look like a giant freaking flash Cthulhu. Okay, well, you didn't leave the coordinates, so I will make sure to post these in the comments. Now the question is, did you not share with us because it's safe?
Hello guys, I am home. I'm warming up some leftovers for dinner. It's Tuesday, karate day. I brought home some leftovers as well, which is an office favorite. It's the chicken katsu. But normally I just eat a few pieces for lunch and then I bring the rest home because I know the kids and Power love it. Right? You like the chicken katsu? I was like, Uriah, aren't you cold? No? Daddy said Uriah was training and then he got really hot, so he put on that cutoff shirt. So cute. It's a little bit, it's a little small for him, but that's okay. So anyway, I have some leftover Chinese food. So steamy. I like my food really, really hot. It's like so cold out there, and so it was raining like all day today. So hot food on a cold, rainy day, perfect. I can't believe the kids don't like beef chow fun leftovers. They like it fresh, but leftovers is good too. I don't know why they don't like the leftovers.
Squish first. Squish, then stop. Squish, stop. Okay, I'll show me the squish. No, that's not squish.
power left me. Trying to gear up the boys all by myself. PJ's little crotch bar is like all up on his like jacket. I'm like, okay. He's like, it's comfortable. I'm like, okay, you just go in then. I can't move.
Pretty fast.
Stressful.
That was pretty fast.